In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own animated GIF using the powerful tool GIF Generator GPT. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this guide will help you design a seamless and captivating animation with just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open up the GIF Generator GPT. You can access it either through their official website or mobile app. Make sure you're using the latest version to ensure the best performance and access to all the features. Once you've accessed the platform, you're ready to get started on your creative journey. Next, it's time to start a new project. Look for the Create GIF or New Animation option and give it a click. This will open up a blank canvas for you to work your magic. Think of it as your digital sketchpad, ready to bring your ideas to life with ease and precision. Now, let's see how the tool works with a specific example. You'll want to input a prompt that clearly outlines the animation you're hoping to create. For this demonstration, try sending the prompt. Make a 3-second animated GIF of a coffee cup filling up. Use a smooth looping style and soft pastel colors. By providing these specific details, you're guiding the software on exactly what you envision, making it easier to achieve the desired result. After submitting your prompt, give the tool a moment to work its magic. It will start rendering your GIF, and once that's done, you'll be able to preview and edit your creation. With the built-in editor, you can make various adjustments to perfect your GIF. You might want to tweak the speed to match the mood you're going for, or adjust the colors to better fit your aesthetic. The editor also allows you to add text if you want to personalize your GIF further, perhaps by including an uplifting message or a catchy phrase to complete your design. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, the final step is to download your masterpiece. Click on the download option and choose your preferred format, either GIF or MP4, depending on how you plan to use it. Save your file to your computer so you can easily share it on social media, embed it in a presentation, or use it for whatever creative purpose you have in mind. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to create your own unique animated GIFs using GIF Generator GPT. By following these steps, you'll be able to produce engaging animations that resonate with your audience. So go ahead, start experimenting, and unleash your inner animator. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.